Hey guys, welcome to David's Drawings. I'm David, and in this video, I actually got a request to draw an angel and show you guys how I would draw an easy angel. So that's what I'm going to be doing today. I don't have much experience drawing angels, but I will try to do my best for you guys today, so let's get into it. Okay, so here's the supplies you're going to need for this drawing. First of all, you're gonna need a pencil and an eraser, and you're gonna need a black marker, a brown marker, a blue marker, an orange marker, and some kind of close to gold color, like yellowish color. So those are the colors we're gonna need. Now let's get into the drawing. Okay, so I'm gonna start off by drawing kind of an oval circle shape, kind of just like this, and then just draw like kind of half circles like this. I find that looks kind of good for hair. And then for the halo on the angel's head, we're gonna be just drawing kind of a really stretched out oval like this, and then just draw another line in there, or another like oval inside that one to make it like that, so it looks like a halo. And then for the eyes, I would just draw a half circle, and then another half circle, and then just circles in there, and then another circle, and I find that looks pretty good. And then I would just do kind of another half circle, and see, this is already starting to look kind of like an angel. So now, we just need to draw a smile on it. Whoops, that's a little wonky. So also if it's wonky, just figure out kind of where it looks best. I think it looks pretty good right there. And then you can just draw little half circles over here for ears. A lot of half circles going on. And then we're gonna draw kind of a little like stick, two like lines down like this, and then like another half circle at the end like this. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna draw his robe. So we're gonna come out like this, and then just copy that on the other side. So you have two lines going out like this. Now what you're gonna do is just follow these lines down, because I'm drawing him to have like a kind of a long flowy robe. So then I'm gonna make it come up like that. Make it slightly come up so it's like makes a kind of a baggy effect. And then also feel free to erase stuff if it's not looking right. Just kind of switch around lines and stuff. And then for his torso, going to want to just follow down like this, and then stretch it out a little more on the ends like this to make it like kind of like the baggy like over there. Just like that. Now what we're gonna do is draw a circle kind of where his belt's gonna be. And then you can just draw two lines like that. And then I just think it's kind of adds a little more maybe to just add some lines down like that. So that kind of makes it look like a tunic. And then, so now we're gonna add like the collar and I don't really know what it's called, but like for decoration. So you're gonna do a line around like that, and then just lines down from here and down from there, and then across. And this is already looking a bunch like an angel now. And for the hands, I would just do however you want. I just go one short one for the thumb, and then 4 or 3 long ones, and then 1 short one, just like that. And then copy that on this side. 4. Okay, so now I would just draw his legs or his feet kind of hanging down like this, and then just draw straps across like this for kind of sandals. And also guys, feel free to pause this anytime. If you're getting behind, just pause it and then catch up. Okay, so now this is the hardest part for me, is the wings. So what you're gonna wanna do is go up like this, and then I'm gonna try and go down like that. Try and do it on the other side, almost like a triangle but kind of rounded like this. See, they're not quite symmetrical. Okay, so I'm just gonna do this, and then I'm gonna do just kind of keep drawing until it seems to first, we're gonna use the orange to go around these lines that we did here. And then we're gonna use the gold color to go inside this big area right here. Okay, so now we're gonna use this color that we just used to go inside his tunic to go around the halo up here. And there we go. And also, if any of you guys would like to kind of tweak any parts of this and add more, feel free to do that. I'm just trying to share with you guys how I do it. So now take the brown and go in the hair, and I would do the sandals down here. Okay, so now we're gonna take our blue or whatever color you want and just do a teeny little bit around his eyes. There we go. And also, I forgot to mention that we need any kind of skin tone, so just grab any color skin tone you want, and we're gonna fill in the areas where his skin is now. Okay, we are complete. And again, if you don't like anything I did here, feel free to take it away or add anything you'd like. Okay guys, so this is how my angel turned out. I think it's pretty good because I was trying to make a nice, easy tutorial that you guys could follow along with. So I think I accomplished my goal. I hope you guys followed along at home. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you guys for all the support. I'll see you next time. Merry Christmas.